Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Today our topic is application of compressed air. Compressed air is widely used in various daily life activities and in industries. Some common application of compressed air are automobile tires are inflated with compressed air for smooth running of vehicles on the road. Spray guns use compressed air for spraying paint. Air-powered motors are used compressed air to work. Such type of air-powered motors are used in places where it is not better for the life to use electric motors. Compressed air is used to operate air-powered tools like hammer, drills. The compressed air is used in air brakes in heavy vehicles. When a brake pedal is compressed, the compressed air is released from the storage tank. This air pushes the brake pad against the moving wheel to stop its motion. Most of the dentistry tools use compressed air for their working. It is safer for the patient. But our next topic is aerosol. Sol is a mixture of suspended solid or liquid particles in a gas or air. The systems that use sol systems are called aerosols. Different types of aerosols are used for different purposes. They are used as air freshener, insect repellents, hair spray, cleaning agents, spray paints, medical sprays like inhaler. Next topic is how do aerosols work? And aerosols contain a mixture of two fluids, propellant, product. Propellant is the fluid that boils low room temperature. The product is the substance which is actually used as air freshener, hairspray or insect repellent. The propellant is the mean of pushing the product out of the can. Both the fluids are stored in a sealed metal can. At room temperature, the part of the propellant fluid vaporizes and increases pressure over the product. A long plastic tube runs from the bottom of the can up to the valve system at the top of the can. When the valve is opened by pressing the button, a passage from inside of the can to the outside open. The higher pressure propellant, vapors or gas pushes the liquid product up in the plastic tube and then out through the nozzle. The narrow nozzle breaks the flowing liquid into tiny drops which comes out as fine spray. This is the way how aerosols work. At room temperature, a part of the propellant vaporizes and increases pressure over the product. This causes the product to run from the bottom of the can up to the valve system. You can see a long plastic tube that runs from the bottom of the can up to the valve system. The valve system is enclosed in this part at the top of the bottle or can. When the propellant pressurizes, the product run towards the plastic tube and comes out. When we press this button, it opens the valve and the product from this plastic tube runs out through this nozzle. As this nozzle is very narrow, it breaks the liquid into small droplets, and in this way the aerosol works. Thank you.